So live for your brother too. That's the only way we can change the destiny of this country.
Everything for Mama Joe, Mama Akwaba, Eba SOMPA 93.1 FM, Kumasi, SOMPA 98.9, Sunyane, SOMPA 90.7, Nkranza, SOMPA TV so yeah live, Tera1 TV so yeah live Oko Facebook Strong Voice Network Facebook yeah live, Oko Strong Voice Network YouTube. Strong Voice Network YouTube so yeah live SOMPA 93.1 FM Facebook yeah and SOMPA TV so yes our ebo no 9 say na mote I live for you jingle na ohene kufisafo me name Strong Voice Network team no the aye crado last week yebeda SOMPA sunyane foase free management so ni production team no ni technical guys ni nyina no omo ya ade papa boy chidom kama ama de SOMPA sunyane e kan say kans hour no ko free sunyane e de ba last week ti SOMPA fo amo sunyane ya damase pa na me aduma nenka next week o se call Nkranza na because health work showdown health work na Strong Voice Network e de shisha so Nkran no ya yen sachire kakra no senke show no anase work mbeba so nyame aduma china na baby kakra ntino ya pushi kwa anim eko china na otwe 16th nti mo anu money da say showdown work no beba so da china no my ready some bank cry abaye showdown work no ya besre say inconveniences be our course be ano wonfa nche na penifo say oba schedule aye cha na osisi no tinyame aduma next week Saturday 16th yeah the showdown work no beba so from Ayimensa to Oman FM Uni Ajaku eba Great Ampon eba mianso me hobby Shabula City be hobby Puano Zito be ho Jojo Puku Amponsa be ho ye Master Dan e hobby afi so bia na all experts of beba work ni bia no obeba this why crado a me so my crado nene ensem ye nimre tiene ye bidutwe bia so kakra na nya time e de ma ye tifo ni ahwefo nyina to betimi join the conversation no or WhatsApp and answer SMS about 0598 551 383 0598 551 383 for WhatsApp message and answer SMS for ho abekin kama until why crowd me so my crowd munu abema ohini kufisafo and amatinase shaibu lasisi atinase tie because shaibu ho na the can splash aba and na the obey in tinti mama because and no I bring besie yenya audio bi na audio na wa na because of your tie4 ni ahwefo odo ni bu ade ma omunti no ye bebo full audio no 25 minutes audio ye keka say anasem kofo keka say eye honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu akodi nkomo bi ne da asem nkomo be no kodi ye no ne hwan ne kodi ye na nkomo no odi ye no efa hwan ho ye ne de ye say abronye yesu abronye ye say honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu and voice na abronye be say allegedly ketwa bi tato ye nsi ni pizza ye ono but sana
so
obia wa wuti so woni mo honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu voice obete enti ye ne shaibu and as honorable Saibu every can splash here na shaibu so TV na watch ni mame na fi bra na young fat can splash a measure so I crado miss my crado for WhatsApp and as SMS bra 0598 551 383 or the bantama ya bekin kan edema uko Strong Voice Network Facebook and YouTube na so uja message all the YouTube channels ni Facebook channels ni so bekin kan edema o hwe no now share page now like it now subscribe it so that be share program biasa na SOMPA share program biasa ubenya notification me na SOMPA management so ase we say dan say course aminya to na o ye show Tera1 TV ye show Tera1 TV ye show Tera1 TV tita one TV a hefo nyina so de nche akese e komam sabu akwaba
Safo me jo so na ho
ya boko den
boko na so
boko me time na na studio time there 408
eh Safo I don't know for me to speed
408 yes me 7 minutes
oh for you 10
because 10 okay 10 418
yeah
na one into yanko
I will say for your man
nansa na no oh polling station bia na say constituency bia e wo ka ho bia e can splash ni bia say wo constituency bia who say chairman bia kita pick up new pickup either Navara Hilux and I said mam for fan so me and say we can splash na and I say China pickup bia na brand new tier rubber 2023 now about super delegate vote no control you know a whole appreciation and what you know so also your polling station executive or your polling station ni now so when ya pickup ni bia also who say Otwabako honorable Keno.
Yeah, Safo ma yama busia for quality to polling station executive. I make sure I'm a beautiful Biana. And then you may yamana Joe Yancha, Mr. Daniel Mo and Mr. Dumo. Baby will be a Muna Majuna Safo. Yan can't share a chef for and a tea for say. Pictures be na bontina eye krura ene honorable Ken in the chat picture no e bi nam say na krura fe honorable Ken e kan get on step down yestremo mamon fa ba hanko krura enye na adwuma no e na afi so na bi so say yes we best step down enye no credit say honorable Ken di kwame compare jama e be ka nipa 2 kro me contest a e be honorable Ken e be ka nipa ba ko kra na e be honorable Ken because course wa e ko papa so say papa di ago so best step down demonstration e be si krum a onye ba bi nta on step down na dano balloting amba so because of say enema bi ampanifo ye nyina nim say committee discipline committee aton san for honorable Ken ene ada nkofo bi ma honorable Ken na dance safe akọ committee report no ye nim de ewo mu indicting nkofo bi also mo publish emma ewiase hu de ekoso so that they wouldn't blame honorable Ken di Kwame Akompego Japan and also dan chen so a see emma kwan ma MP emeye na say COB and minister bi emeye agent no ye ntiase ne ntiase china eno so da so gina so say sa ne moment man rectifier enya de ballot ne ebeba na say ba so china and another thing so ye party penny to say owura lankoye chama say or draw from this contest ye nkan hwe nchire no ase or the letter ne ba ya ase ye kra ne ye pese ye pam
how ye so pan on ne TD for crime mo ase party ni
as a party ade course no east make of us at the buy no as ye hu sad no na safo and delegates alla na chita afo asamba akopɛ na me ka kire mu scenario enie o papa no ma me na te aware ase kama ma me te aware ase kama ana obaabo nsam bi ebegege o ma me ma papa ware no o ma me e firi aware na se akwa o se wo no kura o ma me kura ne betena o do ma me kura ne tena safo enye yie so de me chena se o ma me eno papa na ti kama ana oba agifo bi aba ma o papa hu de oye wakwa akoware no na o maame de abufo efira ware ase kwa o se me de me maame kura no betena ma na yi ewuo na wo pe enti Alan Crawford no obekene Kwame Akompego Japan ya bie ya ensam awa tu gym feso bus ye ko no obekene Kwame Akompego Japan bus the nice air condition bus emunye ma ya wo MPs ni bi o modato pe ministers ye di ya ministers bi o mbe so mo san to aso enti wo ko ho a ye kwa kokun enti mesremo Alan for mo me ncha me nua ba estageman no ba me di nkomo kama ana opo man no mo kan nyina Mr. Amo ma Hilda mo yesremo ya bie air condition bus welcome na production team say my ready a mo ma me the first picture na ye ni hu nkomo pese ye share votes na ba hent wo share super delegates ya honorable Kendi Kwame Akompego Japan 132 Orala 95 sa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 629 Ousefia Kutu enya 4 Kwabra Japan enya 6 Adeni mo 9 Kofi Kwandi Preku anya bi Yogati enya 3 ana Opokun Safaso nya 3 enti mame the next picture me pese me name shada nche mame next picture me pese hwe regions no say vote to hwa we say voter region hwa na mo Kenya 4 ho owura Alanko Chamate enya 4 ho Adeni mo nya 1 ho na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 29 ana Ousefia Kutu enya 3 mame next picture mame the next picture yes we say Ashanti region honorable Ken 6 Alan 10 and Ousefia Kutu 5 and Dr. Mahmoud enya 97. That's according to picture me measure no. And mama the next picture, the next picture. Then I have for Honorable Kenya 10, Kwabena Japan enya 1, Allah nya 3, Jako nya 1, Dr. Mahmoud 12, Uzefia Kutu 2. Mama the next picture, I mention person me year maybe. Mama the next picture, production already. Mama the next picture na mama north east picture no na main year maybe. And me person you resource no. Say the esibai. We hear the other regions na ebinya bc. But ye share the course so. Ewo north east the production. Me say mama the next picture. Yes. Abusa for me hwade. Ade bin see da wiase ane ekoto aba e north east esi share Honorable Ken 0 Alan 0 0 sa 28 abusia for mahu de ekofa owura Alan ko yamate ne draw ade bae na mo amo share Sompa TV na ada social media platform me ka se mi a chem ka kire se MPP say ye buy and semuni agi obi bia busua bia wum but busua bia buy and sanji wum no omo say omo ho no go area for all their candidates and apart from say more bia 0000 no yes aburubi e wo ho enti no mo amu tie me apart from the 5 northern regions no the other regions na aka no 11 regions na aka me busa mo say mo ye vote na result of north east buy na e dey asem na e kan kire ka bibi a kire se yeso ye nkire odoso nko enkire ye hu nipa de e ka kire no se betima ka se party mpanifo aye nhye se abane ye nto ne petemu na obi bia hu de ekọ uba kumase KNUS law faculty ye to abana na nsuo ko to basafo ye to ne tent ase but ye ko do north east omo so omo to no na Lagos Senior High School na de omo ye ne se omo de boot no ekọ share window ana obi gina chire ana ohe ba bi obi abeto akọ and ehu say nipa baako enya all the 28 votes na ho no apart from the sad grand scheme omo ye na can bibi e di akire MPP delegates am the southern part of Ghana say yamu de say ye ne akire do okọ central region other regions ya to bi ma number 2 ya to bi ma no abaka to bi ma land to bi ma other candidates but north east for akire pefe say omo de apart from mu nipa mu ni mu bia and to we say menim say nsi da banyame pengu so obeye candidate na subsequent go be president e kire say apart from obi of north east obi no benya kwa ewura Jubilee House wo enti yesremo polling station for momian to abanfama Honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompre kwa Japan wono de wo say obetimi na obi bia ya adwuma to hwa na region na o total control over the region but no ko betimi aka say DAC north east enye but in the interest of the party na they be speaking against intimidation in the New Patriotic Party was say yema kwamu bibia dey and to be Honorable Ken kwa na dey bia ye to aba won kasa na metimi no we adwuma metimi no we say nya adwuma na nesafo me be ko na sama me ka che polling station for ne say titu aware for ne say se ukunu aye delegate ya maame ena nwume se be ma ne ba fie na so ma nsuo dware odidi wi a no be say me wura nya me boa on the 4th of November no ho na obeto aba ma no so boni pafufuro din apart from Kennedy Japan no be say me wura ne e ba na o university ne wadwene ne ho so wi e for benya adwuma ye hwe Honorable Ken and we be the biggest coal store in Africa or steel plant or starch factory papa what demonstrate so betima ma ye ba na nya adwuma me wura ba bia wo to aba na kwa hwe ye ba na be wi asan aba ba ye bed ne we so because adwuma na ba bia duru also be bia de ne ho jim no ne delegates ne kasa se wo yire nso eye delegate ya anwumre mo didie you know kasa hani abaya e ba beto enfa na beto abako on the 4th of November se wo ka se obeto aba mani papa na wo bisa se na wadwene ye ba akosua mansa or technical university anaso o KNUS anaso o Legon o wi a ho na e ba ma na adwuma oboni ba fo de bisa se na nipa we o ye part of abammo ya ye se adwuma ni hoi na o fi se apart from Honorable Ken no ho na betimi abe create adwuma ma ye mananya biaye ye ne ye kunu mo mo ye delegates enkasa ye ne ye yere mo mo ye delegates me enkasa o ana ye de former for no ye twa mo koyi ni bad mo de hia mo koyi ken by bend so no but o ye be ma ene o yere no ye delegate enkasa o ye oba so ene ukunu so ye delegate enkasa ba bi adu de ene sa for me video bi papa bi kula megaphone ana o ye announcement e wo dwom ba bi adu ni sa na o so bi bia ye because ye pese ye de Ghana free ba bi e won de ko ba from sa goje best economy na ye build no that from Kwame Nkrumah be so ne build e be si ne amwaye se here a businessman no aba boy ntimi sre delegates ena anwumre no se wutie safo wutie delegate bi oto na ba ma ona beka busa se na oto ba ona beka na o so o ona beka no bi enwuma ana we say na wutie ya no bia ana me chairman say ana mpapa say ana me MP say ye nkoto ma no na obema ye ne minister ana oba ne vice president ye to ma o to ma na we MP and minister no who delegate wa bra bo asesa
okay
enti yes polling station for say ena nwumere hada me kasanwa me sremo momento abama honorable Kennedy Kwame Akonpo and once again honorable Alan Koyo Chire Martin na dofo Lukman mu nyina odisafo odenke so chia
ejene so
odenke mu nyina yes sremo mommra fie ne enye ne na me ka kire obia na obetimi na o ma me kora tena so o ma me kora so do woboa aye nada na aso ase chama wuntumi ne owura se chairman sabuso ye bedi no nkomo yi edu aso ase a constituency executive na mo ye adwuma e ma land wo se chenche mo ye adwuma ma no motu mo so mo ya so be suspend wo na za de suspend ni pa
eno de shaibu
en ye twam ho nte esem mo mra fie na wo ma me kora de wuntumi ne de en nti Alan Crop na esrem number mo betimi a chat me no mo frame no eh 0278 88 68 0278 88 68 we delegate now just friend another chat here titu minua no mo a ye pese force ne mo ma me kora kwotena no mo ne tena enye yi mombra ne nyema wa tu ti ba me chia ma holder me sa mo amo odenke mo look mo Esther mo any team ni opo man mo nyina na prempe mo nyina mo nim se ya se tena fa mo nyina mo efie ni fie me da se savo
ahaye Sumpa 93.1 FM Kumasi Sumpa 98.9 Sunyane Sumpa 90.7 Nkranza Rebecca TV say mama hwe ya na motie from Europe no live on Sources Radio UK ni European countries in live or afeso King Jesse TV and radio and so US of A also a fire live into Victor Betina na Swam magazine ha almost showdown street no some program bia omoni person we dey 2 minutes per na nyamiadma next week no nya enough time because no and some group no son doso Victor Akwaba
senior ejosu
bibia wokode
radio dum bibia ko na
microphone ko ni makra Debbie afi yankasa me ko so ame
me da wasi bibri na ansa na me kasa na mamechia otumfo se tutu krura because nana de say enum say enyina nana onu wan ntine ejo hwe so nkakra kruma onzo mazi di okoka mazi ya na wanchi asante hina because baby atie nyina no ono na ama baby atie agya ya fitafo ye adwuma nkakra na menchia me boss lawyer William Kusi in fact obo adwuma pa akra nyame nhira o amenchia me senior Shaibu mechia Shaibu mechia na mechia so me mazi
2 minutes no dey 1 minute
senior so me mazi showdown supporters nyina am say chairman mo nam kwan so abam say traffic ni ade kakra bi na senior Ada wasi bibiri ma cheti phone so. Yankopon ya admo a Wednesday ya ebe. Showdown supporter for Kennedy Agyapong Japan. Yeah lunch ke see massive one pa. Yeah Wednesday ya ebe. Mazi because mazi no you zones. And zones ni nyina so no ye nyina akeka ho ede abom.
Okay.
And dodo na so ye delegate.
Okay.
Yeah dodo na so ye delegate. Tinyame admo Wednesday no. Ye nyina ye behyiam mazi anopa botena ye lunch ke sie pa showdown supporters of Kennedy Agyapong Japan na nem say koye program o Adehye FM ma asafofo nso to yenkra ewie ko no mu kodidi nkomonti nyame adom asafo fitam fo nso no ombeti enka within the weekend.
Okay.
Now, Mechia, my delegate so much man will be just out.
Okay.
Yeah, Mechia almost because Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan modern born huntino. Nipa no bebre to won si wo se papa no ye de ahoɔden ne sika ne ekwan se fa so ne boa papa no ma ne ne pa ne ne so ade hunu ɛwɔ ne ne so person de boa Ghana youth no e be boa na ma na timi aba be ye.
Okay.
To the sense the way a honorable esi the beyond so kasa o se youth any practicals. Also magazine so de o hwe a enyuma dodo na ye ni nyina practicals.
Yeah.
Because say the way o man si kone say the o man mu si aye dene no. See they say so ba magazine enyuma nyina egu. Because of say duty no kure ntimi ntua. Taxes ni dosun because obekwa akoyi container akwa be fa so a wo de be bakra bo no enye easy. Nti ye be sre the way a enema si kono the adron de chiso na bo Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan e betimi aboa.
Okay.
Because apart from Kennedy Agyapong there minimum bia Ghana obetimi aboa because say no ya try theory for na paperwork for ne doctors ne lawyers ne judges no o man ntimi amoa Ghana.
Okay.
Because right now the Ghana do the here businessman.
Okay.
Businessman e betimi aboa Ghana. Now he businessman so you Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan. Obi ani hobiem.
Okay.
Obi ani hobiem.
Mate. Nyame aduma next week. Mema more time.
Mate senior.
Production team are ready a. Yemfa ye showdown enwom no. Emra, ye ba, ye beto aso. Okay, so production team ebe ready near far you showdown enwom no ne dama na answer na no ebe ka tie for say oh hwe SOMPA 98.9 FM sunyane SOMPA 90.1
Comme ça bien, y'a pas couloulou bien. Ah oh, y'a pas comme ça bien. Y'a pas couloulou bien. Après mon bébé ma yeso, bien la bébé yeso, yo bébé bien yeso. Chez mon copain, mais si wana bébé yeso, bien la bébé yeso, yo bébé bien yeso. Chez mon copain, y'a pas mon showdown, I come back to showdown. Yeah, me mamu showdown, I come back to showdown. I come back to showdown, I come back to showdown, mamu showdown. Me look great, yeah, penance. Let me swallow you, yeah, penance. They do my betty, yeah, penance. Open shoulder, one, shoulder. Open shoulder, one, shoulder. Open shoulder, one, shoulder. Open shoulder, one, shoulder. Oh, group no best one. Can you group no best one. Everybody down there, when I show, go, everybody down there, when I show, go. Showdown. show them. Yabema show down, show down, show down. Ope show down, show down, show down, show down. Ope show down, show down, show down, show down. Ope show down, show down, show down, show down. Ope show down, show down, show down, show down. Oh, patriotism, honesty, and discipline. Ha ha. I am Yafuha. Yafa and Sudabi and Aqua Hayo. Honorable, what do you do that? Then you never to die. So you see why I'm watching. You knew you do what I see. Obey the Wakumaso. Ghana mind the Wakumaso. And the party at the Wakumaso. At the end, delegate for the end. They say, one I won't call. Show down, show down. This is show down. Show down. This is show down. Show down. Ghana press, Ghana press.
Anyway, and can't you cry? If you hear any alanching, no, minim say, and you mean a shabu as is too because I buff ye had in dear minim. Now, answer a beco shabune and numnesono. Ye catch and people delegate, Nina say. So, constituency now say chairman B and our chairman, Ekta Navara pickup brand new, and our Hilux brand new. And as I pick up here, that screen is a production team for pick up in my. Pick up net that screen is no. Who's a chairman beer Kurasaka will be pay na a na we no super delegate elections now mokoye no. Ena and what's that? You need 2 million actually said, but there you say. So ye chairman our Asin Central only chairman our in Siaso baako because a same constituency chairman. But who say chairman ibi ani abs ni bi enti bi je Land Cruiser no ne bi je Prado ne bi je Hilux ne bi fata Navara ne bi so fata Chinese pickup ya Peugeot for pickup and that screen is no na yeni ane ya because yam pese be fast bi an kai picture no course ro kakra Cambo constituency crowd pickup we the chairman e kura na oda kuso but omo munim de hu sa constituency we e won cry sa constituency ya pick up ni sie nim no e won cry
Safwe se o chairman akwaje pick up 4 November beto baako
e na make say
constituency delegates beto baako na delegate ni say ono de ye call man bi a 200 cities
chairman bi o ho a waje Land Cruiser brand new tier rubber 2020 yes. 2021 ni bi no mo giye obi chairman Prado
o ka say
sa chairman ba ono abokan wo say onsi block factory emano ono abokan say lalai onye na ya promises o meje Prado nti akwaje Prado akotama vice president ono bo opare ansa e ba ono abokan wo say o man is can fanko thank you to because of course general secretary election no lucy no sa mano Land Cruiser ono abokan say lalai says kano o de ba ko for beje no o de be ko delegate no na nerogu no da koma delegate no o be ba so me o be ko nhia so delegate no the says kano ama omo chono bo kan anye but oko vice president ho no offer now the coin no. Yeah, because he approve yank one joining. Yeah, William Kusi Atnase. Mr. Zito Puano Atnase. Na ya ready no. Ni ya ready. Na ka say audio bia ya allege say honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu enokodi sa nkomo no. Say yenkotie audio no ye ba ye beto aso.
Azemo. Nandi mumato airtime me here na me mo bi hosu na onye because me haye we pa.
I will talk to people and see. I'll talk to people and see. Also, I'm calling for no more Rutuma Japan.
Yeah, send the station no one. Timonso moto airtime and any problem.
Right, Mate. Mate. And more here for Jesse, New Jersey.
Bajai.
Okay, that's fine. All right.
Iti, me show him.
Me
personal number.
In touch with you at the appropriate time. Why?
Yeah, my personal number. Where my personal number? Why?
That's fine. What time do you start?
Normal me by at 6 o'clock in the morning. And let's say me start at 6 a.m. Yeah, US time.
US time, okay. So when you put it to Ghana,
Ghana will be 10.
6 and 10 and upper 10.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So what I would do, I will try and join you a little bit because I have a lot of things to do. But I'll try and join you on Opano Kakra, and then we have a discussion.
Oh, I could draw. You are not so better with near Omo be saying now.
No. That's how it is. You know, that is how it is. How?
Oh.
How?
Not just say when I am. I
understand all that.
Not just when I am future vice now one country me.
Well, the advice I give a boy. But I'm going to go now.
But honorable more than honorable Canem Rebel Ghana.
Say, the problem then is say. So, however, Ghana is not about persons. There is a mistake away from the beginning up to now. Okay? And he Obiba no kwa, he goes away with everything he's done. We have to have Adia Mempe Ghana Hunkra Bako Eye. Win a year way. Right? Politics for Uja, they will do that because it keeps them in power. It keeps them in people's eye, people's memory. That is what every politician wants. But that is not the ordinary Ghanaian want. Okay, the ordinary Ghanaian want an institution where even if you are not there, it functions. Well, and that is what we are not building. Now, say, maybe I will tell you. Say, Obi wo no nyejuma. Never say a man, meaning how much the government gave to a child from a poor home. You find him $200. Okay, a month. But they can't say more. Say Trump no who say say Biden no who Clinton no who, it will be the same. The rate request cannot crack cost. It will not be determined by whoever is in power. It will be determined by inflation level of in a year. What I'm saying? And the Ubinti Fanagene. MSS no. You building an institution that is running itself. And that is what we need to do in Ghana. So see a president it's wrong.
No, I bet you
know. Your department to be a for statistical services.
Yeah.
Almost keep data of the country at all times. And what we need to do is to make laws say acquires the traffic safe Faswa. Say this number of cars Faswa a year, it becomes a trunk road, and therefore it has to be done. In Tibet, me a Quine president on the Unimuposia Quine. Sana, all nations here, all developed nations are no way.
Does it mean say up till now yakwanya enye o mampenina on master statistical service for kwa no munye o mwadwuma
enye so no name ye establish that structure no. It
means the statistical service for they are not working because we have such institution in Ghana.
We have to laws our law no it divided on mining budget.
Okay.
Right, if he divided mining budget, he allocated this much to roads for a 15% of the budget to roads. Okay.
Right.
Now, when that 15% is devoted to roads, then how is that money allocated? Which roads? And no, now you follow on the statistical service. EBC school, it's not president. You could see e-blog and see, you could see here, and now he it's the population census of the area. Any because also a law say abofrebiano I was 2 miles away within 2 miles of a primary school, within 5 miles of a secondary school. Okay, into community bia e binimno ye population census it brings it out. That is why population census every 10 years.
Right.
Into you say ebia abrepo population of 4,000 no, and more for school be enrollee, and more for 4,000 school be enrollee 1,000, and therefore you have 4 primary schools there, and that's it. It doesn't have to be MC, Nimisi school. It doesn't work like that. Because yes, you are running personalities. Ubiliboka kusiesi ni yirikrum, ubiliboka kusiesi na konta ho, ubiliboka kusiesi wa hinibi na damfu ho, and we don't build a country like that. Maybe I have to be honest with you. You're quite a president on you.
Yeah, because the structures have already been laid.
Good. Yeah, lay structure no in the road budget saying that in Yesikano, either saying Yesikano Free State or some roads be our state Sikani the way, roads be our federal government Sikani the way. So until allocated budget to the state, then sitting in him say a quite we last time 5 years ago now in a time or so president on te vice president on te ubiente ubuhanse kwane and that's how we build a nation. Why nobody is interested kofone no see affordable housing na mahamane kusiye and those things don't build a nation. They don't.
And the Honorable not just say we don't have anybody because from the look of things, just say you knew be able to me a man penning be more.
Yeah, we are not building structures. We are not building. Also, building institutions and structures. Not any man running the nation. In the Nipana Juma was institution no keke, and you want to run it. The institution run itself. I'm a fabric an example, Joe. David Cameron by power 2010, right? And Okoye, and then he resigned 2015 after elections. Okay, 2016 thereabout, a referendum, and then he resigned. Since then they've had Theresa May, they've had less trust, they've had if I say Boris Johnson, and they've had Rishi Sunak, all within 4 or 5 years old, all these prime ministers. But policy Cameron to and I say Cameron time, Parliament vote 2 year and a policy year and a law. All these 4 other people buying the same policy is running. You cannot change it. So what it means is that
unless the policy is not good. That is why they can't change. But if it's good, so as long as it is helping, yes, you can change. But if it's not good, you have to change it.
It's any good if the parliament that will vote it out. It's not you, the president or prime minister, because it's an institution that decide what is done and what should be done. Maybe to say child benefit, and I say child tax credit, for example, and a benefit in general. It's been running since the 1960s. the Omale structure and say inflation, the level of inflation in a year, and and it's been doing so since 1960 up to today. Ubusa the average British government been decided by Ubia Kwenim. It's an institution running itself. Prime Minister can die, can have stroke, can get drunk, can fall asleep, can forget, whatever. Still, everything will still run. So in Africa, a president will pay na adanintokwa. Why? Because you need policy that runs itself. We are always looking for a person to run the country, but it doesn't work like that. I gave you an example of Northern Ireland, say Omuni government. Right? They've not had a government for the last 6 years.
Right.
Omuni government too. Omuni government. Everything works the same. The civil servant pay it, yeah. Nisika will benefit Ubakakoje. Wow, Danka intimate budget. You know, medicine, everything run as it is. They haven't got a government. Ghana says a kufu une and the betting will be say military ma take over. Obi say me or mena was a bameho. Obi say na yen kwasia semsa na ye running from one person to the other when you interview and what? With any serious. And some people argue. Somebody came on your show today or say Mrofone almost 600 years, whatever. You know, it's a lame duck excuse to even think about that. At that time, there was nothing until they were building it. Now there are models I bit me actually implemented. Laws of physics was discovered by Isaac Newton.
Yeah.
And the same laws here you might have to today. I don't have to wait to discover the law and somebody here. Well, models are meant for you, so man, you know. Why don't you implement those models? But intimate. You know, BBI come on, but no. It's going to. I don't know how it works, but hey.
If somebody like you who educated me now per se me to about over catch them say at the moment situation I me one officer me to man I baby woman.
At the moment, you know, whoever will want to link himself to the party, okay.
But me ordinary member. I don't know, like the structures of the party, and you wonder who can come in a lot. Into me ordinary member. Na minim the Acosomedian say, or Smithson Abaso India, Intino, who Casach me as ordinary person who educate me, na me kotua bar. Now can wait. A bit tough because when you say, no, people make their mind up based on yes, what here. And when it happens like that, it's difficult to change their mind. But say you project it then beyond the election year. Right.
Election panel, December next year.
Right.
Between John Mahama and whoever comes to take it, no.
Right.
That is the election, no.
Yeah.
So election, it will be NPP versus NDC.
Right.
At the moment, you know, and Gebe Betarov said nobody dismantle the party now. And Gebe Betarov, so the party will be intact. Me leader and go back na. Obe the downfall, MPP, your downfall in say you win election, no. And the party was weak. Until we let Akufo-Addo to do what he want. My party is supporting the control government. By my government in the control party, no. Well, if Akufo-Addo reshuffle in my account because the party was weak. If the party was to call him to the office and say, look, he has to change the money choice. But the party, no, Akufo-Addo call party head officer. All of them praise him. There's no time for that when they meet behind closed doors. And yet the reality and the frank a situation a war form na ikatere
So on about me now because they are spearheading the.
Yeah, the party became very weak. Tama friend say Freddie Blay and John Boyd will control party no. Your party tama na is strong no. Alajete nominee Sir John more time no. The party was quite strong, was able to tell government, tell political leaders, say this is the whip, this is what we want to do. Whoever flash hard and it means this sanction in Pakoyi in a different. So, but Yabaya Bedru said, Tama Akufo-Addo power, the party was very weak and Akufo-Addo was very popular. So, until the party, no, the executives, no, the national executive did not see the need to be controlling Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
I am a free NDC for honor. Would you be a Tunchaya? Omono, government is controlled by the party. More cabinet meeting as general secretary or team. So, appointment in the BBN, they have to agree. Yes, I want permanent president appointing the Paro.
All right.
But yeah, and it's not like that. Until am I weak? Until I start hula balu in Ekosui. Because Vietnam Koye no. Vietnam Koye ni partner for a quarter form, a country almost 300,000 call Vietnam. Necessary pass your money. Some should have been disqualified. People like KENNEY Japan should never have been allowed to contest. Okay. Boche Jakon. Adenimo in particular should never have been allowed anywhere near the party office or the
party no.
Only 300,000 but we now say party no, and this kind of party
no. I don't know since beginning no who here, but you should have voiced out to them. Nan take it that way. Because from the way you are talking, Obiti said ya wo kan wadwin sa na onabo Kennedy tie. Inti adenanka wo one out ambeka so that nka
omo run party no. Omo win elections no. They took huge sums of money from these aspirants. Into being transparent to be accepted. Hey, General Secretary, Sika Wajiji, Obeji African Ho, Obeji Vice President, or Tam or Mode running on one case elections, you know. Because all my elections over here, need Sika Pan no more change over here. So, and see, what is carefree? Nipa potential, Nipa Muba vetting. How do you tell the person say we're vetting what feeling? How? So they had to pass all of them and then create a problem for us.
Apart from 300,000, they were taking other monies. And in Jinabia, Omono Muntimin Kana Kuranjira Omono.
300,000 official party fee.
Mutiana just
privately, no.
Okay, Matthias.
Okay, and Yakoji be free no say a year, when I say, Bakoi Frempong, party general secretary, no.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Okay, no Kakra. We are no cooking home Kakra, no, we are cooking, we home Kakra. How do you coach them at Kakra? How do you tell those people, say, more Yaboninti, how do you do that?
I would have the uncle.
Yeah, and that is our problem. That is our problem. My party now is so weak. Oh, Akufo-Addo was given too much room to just fool, to misbehave, and we didn't check him. You know, by power, no. The agreement was every 1 month over party office, head office. Now, as someone party grassroots, Nekekano, he did not anymore saying that because he's not himself, he is running our ticket. Well, but sadly, no, it broke down where nothing is totally encouraged, no, over party officer. You know, and then he kept making one mistake after the other, one mistake after the other, one mistake after the other. Oh, ni bebra be kan yes, open and ask him. Sa crack area could do baby. You had 20 times to get You want 20 quid? There you get it. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a problem. I hope we don't dismiss a new party, no, na your home country because NDC for no. What is our policy be on board? If it's a Mahama we elected, what to be?
Yeah,
They don't have one. Omo policy be ya. Samre komo dia tuja. Ama Ghana for bina home. Omo ni be. There we go.
Hey, Ghana.
Omo we nyina ne say. Kofo ne ko. Omo to aba no mo ko. Na omo dia be tuja. He mo say people who are violent. Omo we nyina say we anu apa. Alright. I'll mark you down, yeah?
Yeah. Honorable, me there, me my dream with there. Me feel say so far there, Anka MPP should not struggle getting a leader. Nanka munfa Honorable Kenenko.
If it happens so,
because when him say somebody Baomiakwa, from the voice of the people, no, MPP will struggle to win. No. Omo de Baomiakwa, MPP will struggle to win no main election. No.
I will say, whoever is presented, party to be united around that person.
Right.
Now, the messenger NDC for prepare to hold. Until NDC for no more Baumia or Kanugumno. They want us to dismiss Baumia. And then their message will be Yankasumu use system for. Okay. We have to be mindful of that. And suddenly it cost us Tamako for free power no. It cost us the presidency. When Aliu Mahama fared badly in the election. NDC4 was capitalizing on that thing. Yankasumu Piston for him, Omon Penta for him. Omo de Unya Kenya won't come home. Omu yusu, but Mahama next in Ketiakoma Kasasem no pain. Then say, Omu no. So, say if we don't vote Baumia, how do we counter that message? Because Ghana no.
But at the end of the day, you consider the number of people, the two sections, whereby fans say non-Christian people, non-Muslim people, no Christian community 71% according to statistics, Muslim side 19%. Now we also look at it in the way say, this is not the first time Kremoni be ya sa position kasi. So we are aware, we name the history of Yem Mampenim for Abakono and the vice Abano. Baumia, he being the vice president, it's not it's a yet position ketwao. Inti that should not be say Yamia don't know by vice by hook or crook, especially that the contest is coming from say when our vice who did another achieve. Your leader, it's obvious say your leader has made some things gone wrong. Obviously the mate is affected. So what new do you think the mate can come and do? Especially that woman kabia krana. So to say honorable Kanoya was spoken and Kobaka said no. Me ne ekoso menka ho. As I saw about out Nanka Ghana for one but won't keep you quiet. Ne nkoso ana efi ulida no ko wi afi no abaka de obetimi aye. And so the Ghana for ntwema. And that is where the problem lies. Because as at now, Baumia cannot tell what he can do for the people. Honorable.
Okay. What you should realize in NSA? What you should realize in NSA? MPP difficulties are a woman. Okay? It is MPP government. It's not a kufuado na ye na media menkaho. Where you will lose. Okay?
Right.
And on the mark, Alanche Martin completely off the mark. Or starting in Sadino Kaino, he lost everything. Okay? MPP Naye. This is our government. Whatever we have done, it binds on all of us. In the Tama Ekos on we duty to correct it, and correct it. And Yamana Kwaku say we have to defend it.
That is why Honorable Ken came out to be speaking out.
Okay. Say, ye kase na nane Baumia na ye into omo masemwa na media menka. Then ye de be election no. Are we going to campaign say Ghana card? We can never say that.
Yeah, and it's no. maybe a minimum say what honorable Ken message that, but at least I know him to be somebody whatever his government has done a good be waka wasem waka free SHS wasem waka digitalization.
That is what we need choice. That is what we should be doing. That is what we should be doing. You need choice. Then election, your package election is nice. Oh, unless our criminal in this and a free hope. Yeah, nice. Then I come at people who MPP say ya come up. But as it stands, yeah, creative impression be say Kufuado run it family and friends. Okay? One two be asem when you say Kufuado are binding the corrupt, but me corrupt. One. People will punish the MPP based on that. There are many people who will not bother to go and vote. Yeah. Say people go to whoever is the leader and affected the next election. And he is so big.
Yeah.
Well, say MPP then contest it on independent. Never so bit me. People should consider going independent. Independent, you will not win. Until we have to create an impression that MPP has done good for the country.
Yeah.
But just do what you are doing. We will talk. Why?
That's you. All right.
All the best. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Enkomo twetwe no enyina ani. Mpenfo say asem no na wie osofo e kan say asem na wie enyina ani. Lawyer William Kusi. Bibia boko
pa
wati de course.
Mati pa
oti audio no na obo trinko wo hwemanim na se eden na ekoso otrim yebo audio den na ekoso
the hypocrisy on the part of the majority leader
ya audio wo krum ena ye se ono ni kodi sa nkomo no enim se ye ono anasa onwonte se alleged se
ono
okay
kasa ne de ono nya de a omunye parliamentary yina onko gina ono mono misa ne se no me police for de no se ono azanyo ono so betuma deny and the point I'm making is that it's so hypocritical. In fact, last sister station be okoho nah he was complaining bitterly and I was like what and they say any leadership of country he was talking about Niame Kosu Kumase I want to run about Isa filling station yes you know he was complaining bitterly so many himself overhead and so makusi I'm obia my permit or can't so I'm there can't be now if the majority leader in parliament sees things going on to mean Kasadia then where are we as a government? Then it suggests say you need penny kroma. It is suggestive of the first then kroma you need penny and this tape where by abeka atoso say even though we see him as a leader he plays no role in governance in this country. Now what no boa afa the echoes MPP the weakness in the party hierarchy executives you know, how weak they are and the fact that omotima hwehan sa hwenana Kufuado sa ma agensemu ya obi a okasa obi nka bi oba party officer instead of telling him the facts na omo de wada and why say in fact we issue expression because na ano de kakra. And I'm sure that he was making a sincere statement. To the Abba Airqua, Queen as a party backwa. Yes, he and Kotoa by my opinion. Nomination man for picky forms. Cover picky forms, we have obedience from Nabaconco. Adea, you can't give us any justifiable reason. Say, Unim Ghana politics will be a basic asantiment, maybe who be. That's the end of his role. It happened to everybody who becomes a president, including a champion, Jelly Lawrence, and all of them. When you see Kumasi near Hurupe, your end has come. And say, Vice President Bayo Kumasi, a Jomuma, Omuso, no man's Beno, Omuhuro, no Papa. Now it was telling MPP for say, please, the man is spent. Unto me, we need election on my muha. And they are strange, he said, Obia. Party names want to me winning. Like you say, majority leader dodgy question.
Yeah.
Obi want to me winning national election chenchina oni amfano ko ni lusu anyawe
onim la answer na beto aso no minister bi wo Ashanti region ha osai MP me bought 2 constituencies or Ashanti region ha emu ba ko MP ene kan asase no Bantama ene Menchia North se napo hone ene Menchia North Menchia South yenka say napo ba between napo ene e kan say asanso no omu ba ko yene de inim dia okan ye omu mienu ba ko ne kan ye menua ba bi e post honorable Ken picture on start no one number to hwe ne say no say na do also support Ken no say say honorable nim say se man fa honorable Ken ama npp untimi break it no osu ye nim ne mom no e de ba omia beba na mahama e 4 years di mama wie no okwa statement okan say ba omia ho beye Ghana for akono sisi ano omo ankasa admit say vice president hunya Ghana for akono tompe 4 years da kudwa no de naba
say we amponso during his testimony also mentioned this party penyi bi anso aka akire no and ya ade o matena se adwene ho say ye be ya abro me simple term that's how I can put it to ye be ya abro ye nya abro ne yenko opposition ye bo opposition a ya ye wo sika enough ye betumi afight asamba na me nya people bank me nim say opposition e de say wo opportunity wo power partner say me ko opposition asamba. This is too serious. Is this some kind of political bargain or what say party or power person ko opposition actually was asamba? And no ama some of us be say who say what is it about Kennedy Japan that they are so scared of? This
and not just say or might be wrong.
That is exactly the only presumption we can arrive at is say time bomb so. Won't take time bomb so now wow munipa. Na Kennedy Japan rather you can't consider him as an ordinary person. Eye na na do danko Akufo-Addo power. E ka say na Kennedy Japan mo. Brezen wa mre campaign say no anye.
But lawyer say a whole majority leader it make us a president here there with impunity on respecting party structures on respecting party leadership. That's a party leadership now so president that can boom say push say yemfa vice president namra and then wo sudu say e be koso wo montem
say one a weakness because obi odine hu di bia ni wa obama nanado danko Akufo-Addo na say ba omi ehunahuna no. One, they are weak people. We have elected weak people who are not strong enough to speak their mind. Number two, their weakness is emanates from the fact that they are caste tribe. Omini capre, and they need to survive. These are the two possible things that can happen. Otherwise, when himself president and respective party hierarchy measures, or say by the party's practice, or say Mranoba, on the party be transnear candidate. Cannot take cue from it. When the party said we want the finance minister to be changed, he told them in the face, "Mama, kwani or the move from some video. Nina ni ehwe. Ya tete say over my dead body being so statements been in the museum, and I wait over my dead body, and I wait over my dead body. Look, let me tell the party executives. Party ni ye dia o. Timamfo na ye dia o. Nya executive there. Ya ma odwuma se koye. Until Omuntie may have observed the trend of the Nema going on. I think that they are misbehaving. Indiscipline, it is coming from the top. They are so indisciplined. Sir, majority that Timiko Jina Abontin declares or support one party, Omutimi for to order. No, because can show down, I must say, Omra Disciplinary Committee now are threatening. Which of the two is threatening? The majority leaders' declaration threatens our constitution and the being of the party. I know that there's nothing wrong with it. Obi timi koko bu obi. Over my dead body nti muso so mbeka.
Council. Say honorable Ken e can say papa na nkase mu ka kire ni say so wensi for ma obegu na dwuma. And the one obia e kana no atum send the one threatening. But say ekobu obi ye pam ni agent from every I can say polling station. Na say okase obama mo show down there obomusu. Na obeto aso na by popular request, yensen tie portion away. Ye ba lawyer obeto aso.
So beginning no who here, but you should have voiced out to them. Nanka take it that way.
Because from the way you are talking, Obiti say, said ya wo kan wadwin, saa na Honorable Kennedy tie. Inti adenanka wo one out ambeka so that inka.
Omo running party no. Omo winning elections no. They took huge sums of money from these aspirants. Inti ubi entimen aspirant to be accept. Hey, General Secretary. Sika wajiji obeji be African ho obeji be Vice President or time omo dey running omo anka say elections no because omo elections over here ni sika pa no mo chiche over here so inti wajis carefree nipa potential nipa omo ba vet ni ho. How do you tell the person say we vet no feel how so they had to pass all of them and then create problem for us.
Apart from 300,000 they were taking other monies. And in Jinabia, Omono Muntimin can occurrence woman.
300,000 official party fee.
Mutiana just privately, no. Okay, Matthias.
Who can you be free no? Say a year, say, from Pong party general secretary, no.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Can one no Kakra. We are no cooking home kakra, no we are cooking we home kakra. How do you coach a matter kakra? How do you tell those people say more ye boninti how do you do that? Yeah, and that is our problem. That is our problem. German party now is so weak. Akufo-Addo was given too much room to just fool, to misbehave, and we didn't check him. You know, by power, no. The agreement was every 1 month over party office, head office. Now, as someone party grassroots, Nekekano, he did not anymore saying that because he's not himself, he is running our ticket. Well, but sadly, no, it broke down where nothing is totally encouraged, no, over party officer. You know, and then he kept making one mistake after the other, one mistake after the other, one mistake after the other. Oh, ni bebrabe kan yes on penanasem.
Ahana na me pese edisi no. Cancel.
The president was given too much room to fool and misbehave, in quote.
Yeah.
To fool and misbehave. Majority leader. They just say majority leader. How can you chimo say odin kwasem? Omoma president. I'm needing kwasem. I know a year mistake one after the other, and then no
I say party need to make us on your reshuffle cross on.
And seriously speaking, this is honorable chairman, sir.
Same people so no be pushy another person am I.
Yes, or no one say change now. Yebeka say ye mu not necessarily. Say not na nibe me opposition, your opposition, you have no opposition. Is this the way for a normal person to reason? Obi a wa adwene ti wa ko school teach so. We say tribal issues into your farmer obi a free some time near lose election. Please, Baumia is still a young man. He can work for the party and it will get to a time that people would vote for him to come. But in the meantime, when you know say Okobe lose unti, you say do obi Okobe winning. Na actually no wa contest bi
anasa omo na ndc for akwapam say president ba omi a omo mfa candidate bi amanti yemfa Ghana nhye nensa.
It is likely. I am very sure. I'm very sure say
we want to make election ma won ka say ndc
no omo fi say mama ba omo beto omo because ni omo ayo nyino bi anka
nyame adman next
to abama president omo po oba no a na so ko bi book no hu asem bi on dey odimi nda
nyame adman next mebo video bi a ndc communicators say share no more bomb pies NPP for to vice president because ono the oba on be winning election hands down. Omo bomb pies ma honorable Ken Emma ba omo to ma I can say vice president because on the oba omo nya
na nim say such a men say tape ya ban ke baby fu frank oba resign immediately.
Onim ese kwa chia de efe e de sika na ye me nkoton ade mra yenko break tiawa ye ba ye beto so.
From Wakwaba Eba Valerian Herbal Skin Hospital. So Valerian Nidia, Namunia Bema, or the answer Mensumini. So the answer Sunidia. Now me person me busa say, we dear any etisen. So be people ne, or how be or we dear now dear chin, kwaya sabia who do be brave. Nanso unya anu ye dia. And your own farmer Valerian. If say valerian yemfa or how maha enko. Ye treaty cases be at say acne and pimples, stretch marks, nen so obey, and for be also nenimu amwa wrinkles. Meaning out the bed down ya, ube free have a corner, no when you know apostle. And then we did not show more now one gas when you were home, and I'm so body net disfigure, and Edim fidi ahodoɔ ebe dane with any say bia flappy arm ebia wonsa tigu ni nyina ye the machine be nane srade ni nyinara ama o shape no asen asini dada mu biem onufu na atiegu a your machine a ye wo ho a ye de be ye breast feminine e de amount ebia wachi nso oto no atiegu ana se akofom pesa me kan amount to tim say aha yenye surgery no knife tie no injection Dana obeba na yede afidie no be treatment na ma no baby a opebia obetimi akọ aha CO2 room and as a CO2 laser room baby a ye treatment ahodo ni nyina ye use laser ye the baby to say stretch marks are oba ye afidie ha ye CO2 laser no ebehwe de ama aha ana say why tattoo ato ho na pese o paper tattoo and as wo kutwa bi ho pese o paper nti aha a laser CO2 room a yede ASA treatment ni nyinara aha say ne body reshaping no nti oba ha ye wa fidie fefefa say bia opese o ye breast feminine and also ye both enhancement a ye betimi amanu for the ginagina on fine ye use knife some can say aha ye use knife ana ye wo pane enso e wa ha ye machines no ene ye di edwuma ye machines so efidie wa ha so a ye de ye fat reduction so if you up a flat tummy enye machine ye fiansa na ye betwetwe sade bi afi baby a ye the machine we are ebe dan sade ni nara so if you be wa bonse na basa na atiegu and so ba ye the machine ebe so atwe sade ni nara ye na sade ni kofo a body no so ebe firm e the amount o share machine na o ma sheda no ma customize e the amount valerian eti bra ye odomi market any opportunity bank ni dey fe ni ma na ye ben adeshiman and also o kuma senso ni mpatemu a hwehwe ye chiri kwan e o canteen kro no market T junction ne so a eni nkita ho e o 020 8004883 Valerian Herbal and Skin Hospital on Confe eni hintase
Yebeda Valerian Herbal Clinic ase. You read message kakra I can say a WhatsApp platform no na lawyer kusi and to also message the be brave YouTube Facebook you there I say President Dim Kwasem now or can is an lawyer. We say good evening Mr. Host. I'm Isaac from Asunafo Asunamaso. This party, I don't know what actually is wrong, is the problem. They lie bad, whether rain or shine. Ken is leading the throne. And help me, I have finished university. Okay, also, until I see you tomorrow, cannot bar. So unemployment na hono. Nina to be clear. I say good evening, Ken's I like the program. It's very, very revealing, but I think you are exposing our opponents some of the things they. Oh, hey, that's something okay. I say the NPP is highly disjointed in the era of Nana Akufo-Addo, and I'm so disappointed. The only personality to save this party now is Honorable Ken Ajapong. Hashtag no Ken, no vote. I say friend Reverend Bismarck Kwabna Jesse or the free Ufori Chrome. Okay, we say fire also yedase. We say congratulations, you are doing great job. Also, yedase. We say good evening, Mr. Safo, and your panels. The leadership of Nana Bawumia has ended, and it's time for a businessman like Honorable Ken Ajapong to lead the party to break the 8. No Ken, no vote. I'm Ajay Kwadu from Kumasi. Okay, also yedase. We the free UK or say watching you live. Okay, one funny thing and count. Yes, someone message me. And say. Won't send the voice audios. Emra. We say hi, Safo. Watching you from Savannah region. I'm a police officer. My greetings to Shaibu. Okay, Shaibu. Or say Uchiao. Or say the Akufo-Addo generation has failed the youth. I was expecting the NDC government to oppose him with professionalism, but no, the people have felt as okay. Also, that's or say, Mr. Kennedy Ajapong is not a presidential material. We are going for Dr. Baumia. You see why Ken cannot win October 4th, November 4th. This communicated like you. Okay, also that's the message be our baby. I the and also that's name no. What the message we about now new conscience a dim como and we say they are all the ones actually no and what drink a partner. Also watching you now, okay, also that's we WhatsApp messages. Also please, I'm Prophet Bernard Entry. Boys, I can writing from Daban news site, Kumasi. God has spoken to me that you should bring Honorable Ken. He's the only one that can bring Ghana back to his possession. So please, if you call me to the studio, I will prove to the to Ghanaians. So please, delegate, you all have to vote for Kennedy Ajapong. Okay, also that's it. Then kai YouTube kakra Strong Voice Network page no kakra na se SOMPA de kakra. Nansa na no. Mema poano zito akwawa. Bibia boko poano te say
poano ye
sika ponzo te say
ho ye company no na se de aye ye twentwe so kakra nti
ade na mo twentwe so
so tax ya
import duties ni
aye no mo friend say kura ni paperless no a collapse no 24 charges COVID-19 health recovery ne Ghana city disinfection no
collapse because I quite remember say last year this year said last year no more than 120 cars in a buy this year more for car back
2023 for car back because so for our who say o mine na yetimu no ya na say no kura ne kan ye nipa ne den aha ne ba bia wo se mrante no ye soli ne agina ya soso ne ma bi so ma ache so tie enkomo ya wo body kire yen ya na kire se nipa bi nim papa na omo di bone nipa bi wo mu nim onim se ye nhihye we ya ebe ma oman no akonanim but nya de a wo mo be ye se wo tie enkomo twetwe na eti de toje yen emabunu no a wo mo eba no aha ne ba bi a menso ya na ye me ya pa se wo hwe ye ma menum ne ye nuanom bi obi be ton ne ntoma kora akotua ne best school fees wo university no wie no aba betena fie na otadua ne mani di na yes intellectuals we ne ko school ko duru ha we ye lawyer we na ye say eti no enro papa bi so de amache boaten na me tie ne nsam ni nyina no ono ano wo say we are in economic crisis ene nipa no osan ye economic management team no wa wo san se ono so de ensan fa ne mra na kende onye presidential material on ti say utie wo hwe papa yi ba bi a ninim de akoduro ene asem na all kan se nye se bia wo swa wo frimpase to mani tiri bo forma na say yi a wo wuntimi contradict wo ho sa
onim Mr. Zito mamen kan bi biwa on say hwe
2000
on say ade we me sure say obia with necessary dey and as obia experience ade we o ko baby utimi twam o baby a wo ko no na oni aba won say baby a wo ko no watwam because adwen no ene ani no an communicate asema obekan no o ma na adwen ni nani no an communicate ni mom o ma influence bia bia ma no ena ma no be ma ani no bekan sa but adwen ni nya asema na adwen pese kan no
chese se wutie nasma wo kana on say ye nuanom na omdi kai kokoko university that first one ko bi oba yama kwan oba no odi ni papa echi no ko na fu ko jan papa fi se onim se wo papa na na mafuo mu ho na odi ko but wo hwe papa ya enkwala na wo mo fa ne nsem no opolutu wo mo nti na enkora bad products e ba krom nyina papa we ka ho because o ma wo mo hunu se wo ko school ya wo so wo mfaso chen obi a ne wira fi so opon wia na ru Liberia eno opon wia ne wo mo ye rally wo Top Man Stadium George opon wia footballer eti say kan lawyer say ye wo Ghana hey eno opon wia na akwa faale nomination e ka papa we ofre na dia asem na nko beka
investigate no ne hwe abraba
obo
nipa say no sebi
edwene kura wo utiri hu
na brother you be shocked the kind of person onya any opportunity kasa no to lege and all retentive memory no what go school
na ya me ya
school dey obi anfa ho awa and try you
e wo se wo mo ayifo no radio presenters no wo frɛ no say awo no wo ka na nko afrɛ ye mu bi nso aba se asema papa yi kan wo so
kan platform be so
me tie no asempa na me say tie no wa na yi bi asempa kosi sai
e ho na no be kan
asempa kosi sai
omo management I meeting say as a multimedia for no there's no way say on be kan be afa onabo kan me obi na ka me friend no kasi mani mo pi say on management say omo nye bibia in favor of onabo kan
imagine
me waka kire me friend no to nenum tu ka kire me timi enya me ho
ana me hwa ebia na busuom so no nko anu akọ school etu okwa said ye osi hunahuna wo mu wo fie o cars ma wo mu nka bienum ne ade fi say o man ye yetim sese lawyer me maami eba bewu no ama obi aye kokofu akwa na ye 11 acres ye ne no kokoche ye de 5 akwa de 5 ye wo krom ha sei ma enimdefo etimi de o man agapade kokoma se obi bra me ye hu adwuma o man ne de 3% wo kanim difo asemo
onim de friend
ye timi akwa ye go action 50-50
but when they 100 no one of any of 3
and make
97
one of 97 and make us say ye kura no ye no ye se kokofu no ye no 50-50 good that make us say ye for ye 50-50
yes
ye fa say ye fratamfo
yeah
akrachifo ne lawyer for kokotena se a Mr Papa what say match boaten ka say omo no omo ye intellectuals no omo na kwa kwaje 3% am oman no musi mienka eti se nipa bi sei ba be kasa na se wo ba ekokofa ne nsem na wo ba ne wie school no obefia wo giri sa brabo papa ben no obebo
wonim bibi es nim dia anase nsonson ye wo honorable Ken mu any omo so called professors na say enim difo no honorable Ken can several times say India ni bi eba no ho ebe ofa no $5 million say project bi a o mine ye no ko person inflate figure no no ma honorable Ken $5 million honorable Ken epam no wan pene anje papa we minya so scanner wa kwaje nkra no 50,000 cedis kwe bedu
na wo hwe safoi Honorable Kennedy Japan say minim so wo dan be say 200 ni party mu akrachifo anim difo ya papa yi kan former president Kufuor ba be sisi adan wa sokole mampo agya hokọ former president John Mahama so akosisi bi wo sagleme edegu ho na Kufuor do ne nkofo so wo so ba be ya bi wa amasaman it is just ye kokwaji wo man ni sika no say sika nso aye kwaje dia me ye nyina ni abreze ye ne ma ne nananom nyina dinimu no wom dia akwaje adan ni guhira mu amfa so amaso but Kennedy nso nkwa as one person no ono nso nkwa atimi asisi adan be 200 enipa tim na kire so ono no nkwa akra no emfa so wo nso chen enipa na aba be didi ono ye so onim die no ti papa we asema wo ka he no kra
obi a onim etimi free asendom eba atwema yabe 98 be dams akese enum 25 years ni aye adwuma omo onim de Dr. Mahmoud account ye de o mine sika e ma no call northern part of Ghana e koye one village one dam no enreye
chese e bidum kasa na sese no de aya ne se me de na me kan no lawyer e wo se mrantie no aye wo mo ba no ye no de se wo hwe se Kennedy kura bebi adwuma ye ntimi ko na mom ye adwune ye nchirima no ye adwune wo mo ba no ho enti se ye ba betre wo man mu na kire so man no die mpanyimfo ni nima ne se so om kokwaje bisi a wo se ye dibia ba be ye gota wo kokwaje bisi a ye se ye de ba ye we na kire se ye ya enuru ba bi ye wo se ye di kokoduro Kennedy amamate ase se e wo se ye yetiminya eniema bi wo krom ha se ya ye ne ye de ensaba ya ma afi abrofo no nso bizu di dollar ebeba be pe chen se da bia no na wo kwa akose sika dia kwa akope obi a wono no ayi amache boate wo si oninim die no wo hunu se akoma ho yade obi de ho beto twema enti wono a di ne bottom sika akwa akosi cardio center e de ma hospital enipa nso na bɛyɛ mu adwuma wɔ san sponsor wɔ mama doctors nso ɛno bɛn wɔtwe ase akɔ aba
Dubako.
Wɔmakɔ aba ɔno no deɛ wowo so wɔnyɛ presidential material na wowo ne hɔ baabi ɔno wɔteɛ no anyanyam biara no wɔbɛtumi aba abɛdi ne nsa aba abɛsi ne bo aka biribi saa ma nipa ehu
sɛ ɔno deɛ obi na atwerɛ na obi experience no akɔkae ɔno ɔsɛ yɛnto nwom frɛ no na do no ankasa experience bibi
ya di nkomo ya na obi asend me message say papa na ɔno na cancel mu no ni PhD no ya di man no last year ya on benevolence because or retire next year and wa more bro pe bibi akofie akodi ti o kan kwa asem ya mani bibi di obi a wa tira de wa di manya PhD wo be ko ya on benevolence ne ma PhD nipa we ti bi kasa kire de onim de na sabi nimdia ne de wa hin sa nimdia se wa ko school di baba se me man ko school ni bi anka be me ya o me ni krofo a TV person me ko law me ni TV personalities na ayi classroom ya TV ya ti kumase ya ni hu mo se akwa wo TV so sa hwi ni omtirim and please why if say wa ko school na nimdia de I came to disappoint school doesn't mean nimdia o uba asantima mu ha omo mabobra aya japade atum pon asese nipa shebre no omu nkura PhD omu nkura doctorate omu nkura first degree and the wa we da ho se ko school nti we learned no unim de woka
na lawyer no ne ye de kan ko se kwa me despite ne kwa me se kan ka ho na be fa no yo adwuma se ye no ne ye de kan enko mu me no na ka be fa no yo adwuma oh enti
o se kan bi o na
se school obi akọ ena nka no ene ye se ye de kan dia ka despite ne kwa me se fa kan ho na be fa no yo adwuma
puano for mo se
adia no da ho prayer anya se ebi asafo me ka de asisiw na ma me hwɛ ade bi ho
hwehwɛ me na ansa na no lawyer me bisa wasem wo ma me no ofie baako ubetu kwan ɛna wo ma no 1000 cedis say the 1000 cedis ne fa yɛ adwuma me kwaba baako so wa ma no 1 cedi o kranse o sika wo ho asa enti no o kwaba wo ba no dia o ma no 1000 cedis no wa hye no klasa akɔbɔ besia ameka de abeda akiri baako so dia wa ma no 1 cedi no o ba wotime nya 100 million ato o me nu hwan na wo kwa next time wo bi a wo beja no
obviously the one man here about no atimi I didn't hear do mo anya sika to so no de be ma no
enti eno sa eyi vice president no honorable Ken
no but how can you compare the two? You can't. You see the level of academic ignorance na many people analysis because vice president here why a public servant why you fan adwuma why you honorable situation is different no obi fan adwuma ono na ya adwuma for nipa they are not comparable. In fact honorable stands to when they say you be a be different ya man adwuma ya man adwuma unemployment begu no no bia or say didn't compare now the system wants him and so we have to address that. Why does the system want him? That is the only problem. But in terms of 1 year obedient so to me for school PhD need to better than na can ka so ko school and say qualification we group PhD and go time 10. He's an intelligent man by all standards or can say how constructive arguments. Look at the analysis he make.
Yeah.
And the first one no yeah na adwin so obebo bra on fa continue classroom ni baba no and no just say onim nyansa say no
na no ya want me nkeka ne me nsi anim akwa ba beduru de wa ba beduru
wan na kan sa kire o we do hu ko so say onim nyansa nya no kure da de onim nyansa ne de ntima te bia o ma me kan so me ka say after first degree find something to do before you continue because in life nya bibia na academics
David
you nyansa bi wo ha wo nya ne book mu this is what try abrabo and do you first go second degree no aye PhD masa ube wie no ube useless e wa brabo mu abodu befu ube nyina nika pre uviefo be pam de o chesu o retirement ube mobo
aye library books man wa boa no gu hodo mo ba be ka say
enti you na ba no mu se nimdia ne de watimi aye bibie anya de wasua book wo ko sua bro ni nyansa be na benya bro ni oba Africa no pese Africa hu nyansa nti o ma che onyansa na wani nti ade ne asua ne school nyina bro ni nyansa e ma nyansa ho nyansa ne de atete fie a wa hu e na ma hu nyansa ye crop ye leaders bebre hu before bronia no ho to sa ka betuma continue your agreement with the white man no 3%. It's because you see him as superior na ka hu ni say woni ne parents so kire no e chen se ne ona bu na ka continue man ma 3% ma wonye da. And that is basically people like Amachi Tibonkoso or no sa no woman positions. That's what he's going to do. I don't go retirement every time PhD who can serve for a whole doctor.
I no nanka lawyer nanka meba no. Job chapter 32 verse 9. Emra empanyufo bi kokohia a wo muka se na brantie bi tran mu tie empanyufo ni nyina nti. Uduru verse 9 na verse 9 and 10. Wo se nye won anyini pi nyina na nim nyansa. Na enya empanyini nyina na nim atemwem. Eni nti na me se muntie me. Na me nso mekere die minim akora no ne kan sa
no sin kon kan bi
wo se na kon kan bi wo na wo hu se se wo
panyimfo ne kan be sa chapter 32 verse 9
oh it is okonya papa panyimu a wafu dwuno pa sei na wo ti asem a wo kan wo ba kokofa ne nsem no wo hu se wo wie school kura me nyehwo so wo ani da so efiri se wo ye kuani na wo ba kofa papa we nsem akora ne ba fi a obu adi bu ofa bi ma enwuma na kire se wakwa akosua na yeti omanmu ama yesi university unemployment association wo na wo kire wo made wo kire wo made wo enye wani wu na se ono obi abia adwuma atebu amantene factory na wo hono no sebi enye nipa na yemu adwuma enye nipa na yemu adwuma
amachi wa fa sen
wa bie sai en wa fe de pasai enti etoda ya na omoma na sesei no enkonko yese obi aka
yenka tape no asem kakra
tape no
na fe yema yeti
I say president yenko asem ya bano nko asem tape
because hwe medium ema me yem hye me ne say o say because of say national executive na say party new week nti their president can be no umdisu and it's true because party no ne Ghana fo nyina akra be ka say ka president nyere shuffle o say date nyina meboa
no kra
tama decided say and I say MPs ni be ka say on pam kanu for that o say date say after IMF deal no obehwe de obey ena sana ebi crocodile John adwuma na nom de here because no pese omo shift e can say economy no from vice president de koto kanu for that so omunya na tena se boss apa we nyina because anya me wan wa say onombo se chairman sabonsu
nom de shadow
yes
nom de shadow economic management team leader no
yeah
no mu yi amanfo adwene e de afiri ono no so amoma hu se mess bi kura wo ho a enye odo no aye
yes
enu entra ade omo ye no de wo mu titira na ya se mi nim se papa we pa se sabre se wo mount platform man say on kasa nkire Ghana fo a e de e bo sha na se de asem na obeka obi bagie adie obesere sa because is a food in punish philosopher be said the punishment for a liar is when he speaks the truth no one believes oh yes ya branch bia ni o ye enwan wo kuraja kakra no mo ho a ne kromo fo hu so de deda be krom say pataku abenwan nu omko na pataku bia ni ho be 1 week wasa ye the same thing omko na pataku ni ho go so good be ni nansa na pataku ba enwan nim afi oba be kan wo so oboa no de sa na ote asa stu ni bi na to Dr. Baumia
odi
menya so be kan bibie
am be aba o say I'm watching you live I'm a polling station chairman at Kote yeah KNUST side or say or a Tescon I can say president or KNUST former or say Dr. Mati there don't mind him bro his project student crack cannot find him to submit their project work but he's in Accra doing politics
so
message or the aban then call YouTube Strong Voice Network page na mean kind message kakra or Edward Boying or say I'm watching you live at Asindompim no Ken no vote edasi Paju or say Mr. Host ask what time the devil NDC choosing an Alan person to leave women take message na say or say Alfred Salah Nkrumah or say Ken all the way na Nadu I said or say Team Ken we move forward or say to Philip or say please we want to know if Honorable Ken is stepping down, and they account with similar fear several times, and you know credit. Say nipa ba kupo no be call election na he Honorable Ken and be call. Or say your friend no Francois Esiedu. Or say Ken is not stepping down, please. Okay, well I responded to message no. But the I say Ampon also said the same statement. Or can say party yes. Okay. Where Michael Bao say Ken all the way. Kwame Cancer. Or say ask them what they are thinking of. Or say Asemu. So yeah, that's it. Shadow 1 GHTV. Or say Ken all the way. Nanefia. Okay. Sheikh Muazu. Or say no Ken, no vote. We say a friend Yao Aban. Or say lead human beings. Okay. TM message. Hey, message be brave. Or say great Ike. Or say I'm not part of the delegate, but please delegate, get it straight. No Ken, no vote. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, be your phone lines no 0591 931 931 na 0598 931 931 meba ne so kakra nti emre your phone lines no 0598 931 931 na 0594 931 931 me na be makwa be microphone mami o ba jo din say
ba che frame Yakubu Sumani
ba cho kasa den why
ba che frame Yakubu Sumani
Yakubu Sumani but what constituency be
Pacho mo
Subin we delegate te den do abi pia nyumre
Honorable Kenya de mba
be microphone
Honorable Kenya de me aba
e ba ne se no de aba
o te ye de isusa omo yinyini de o mba so mbo man ba ye de yente ase eninti na ya pese e for so ade ken ba because e hu so na be chichire o man na mai
oda ko be no
mpacho ye ku ne fe no Kendi Agyapongi
oh
Center Market
okay ti eden na mati den na mamati ku se mo de support Honorable Ken
ye hu se onmo ne betimi aboye dachi
okay
yensa ye be blegu sisi am to mni adwuma ye ntimi ntan wasa opportunity na bande ya wase ye nyina ye bo na o meki se be ya ye be nya so mfa so enye sa de a domo ka kwana de obadaba
okay na ba so biom na me lines ne so ayehye Honorable Ken ye
grassroots me ni
aso din ne ba ba kasa free
e frame wode sheba kasa free akra
me ba twe nti wode sheba
me dedika America chia kwano zito na ho na papa fi poano na me pese me kan sem bi se me na futu bi odi tu me o se o se certificate na de ko Kanesi market na ko ka kire o mo se o ye doctor o ye professor entiema o je ni makone kodi na do certificate na asesa sa ai papa na o ka sa asem se bi ase ninim de wo fom ti na o ka sa asem no ebra be no abo organ na hazi on fi aso krombo ne ho se ntontom
ade odesheba enye sa 059855 okay line 1 Honorable Ken ye hello good evening Honorable Ken ye no ajiso grassroots emrenie and how to me just show down because Honorable Ken you to me just show down me pacho yankasa udin bebe akasa
e frere Peter nyamene pa me papa pri SOMPA jamando
me pacho yankasa
me pacho mi pesa un kama de dignité ate o pietro mo yes na mo poni yebre o muntu man pa o betnyama mani su banye ya da kita da bia amna ya ta 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 ko yemi ona ma ko no do so brigade no because yan tin ko yemi o ko mo ho mi se ba ya trama we konya mi ti da da pa mo kala de dignité ate da mo ko ti da ke ti pale
okay once so medase emfa nchia kese enkoma me big boy Fifi or here from US and Kofi edase Mr. Andrew Kofi upon Brenya aya poano Brenya US onso edase Mr. Albert Broby nickname Bola onso US edase and Alexander Kofi Dogbe onso here from US edase Honorable Kenny
hello
Mommy Honorable Kenny utimi just show down Udin de say.
So down. The party of family and a Facebook also.
Ante George na yankasa.
The party of say, "Man, come to him." And I say Kennedy and Echo because maybe a minimum I say Kennedy on the mamma and Begina. You see, Kennedy so can be as a better. Most of come to me.
Yedasi. Mama Albert, Rosemary Martin, US also Yedasi. Ohima Efia Mansa. Yes, sister winner. Ubiko who honorable Ken or the starter. Okay, say. Bakon Honya Kono, Jomko position bar, Nihombaya Kono. Honorable Ken ye.
Slow down.
But Udini baby Akaza free.
Your friend Emmanuel.
Manuel Akaza free. Okay, free.
Take.
Me pacho yentio.
Mr. Ma, put the mamoya and manager pa. Now, honorable Kennedy, ma no vote. Then media, some of my numbers phone in our account. One can't check that case no. Most of my discard jaja. So man found a book and I'm at the MPP co-position. With someone a program no more also. Honorable Newman is the most show now. Man, tell him about what
you know, Casa TV, Ibidaso.
But my also more. So
TV, Ibidaso.
Monya Mopa and Pie Body Machine. Honorable than one river.
Yeah, that's why. Honorable Kenny. Hello. 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 Honorable Kenny. Okay. Ayen chakese enkoma Inu Bema James Japan Jimmy on the kwesi billboard ewo nsamoma another mprene mrantie no koye you know also e wo hwe ye dase Mr Francis Kunadu wo UK also ye dase Mr Samuel Obin ene masa munya mo USA monso mo hwe ye damase honorable Kenny. Hello. But udini ba yakasa free.
Ato ya suku fashion ni katabri do main gro.
Me pacho yankasa.
Boss. Suku intro. Honorable Kennedy a complexo a Japan. Ni do nyame ye taso. Sabi to wa na. Amu fa ye Kennedy mra. Yen bia ni asem. Sabi because you say Ghana no Nadia yam pen for be my kwan ama soda mamu no abaso by Kennedy kwa sin soda mamu ndi se person of opposition there. I want to tell them that they should bring Baulia if they don't want to go opposition there. And you we need a compreko Kennedy Japan.
Yeah, that's Honorable Kenny.
Grassroots.
But you didn't even be free.
Sapo Edini, Sapo Mepato, we are Fasabu Noma, Mahoma Kotosuna, Yawakolongo, Makasapa, Chepa, Michelle, Wadaruma. Yes, Sapo, and then the Apini. Let me tell you, matter to fire water. Apropani. Oh, that's what we do. Or maybe the man, and the idea one more, or maybe one more, I want to fire no. What me a deal? What I brought for no? I brought na Omudi. Yes, you can kill almost say, Mamma will slow down. Almost the Bamuni, Yamuni, almost giving them away. I have Ansika. Namu to tell Munamu the local, and you're there. I brought Moody. I don't know what you brought. Mama go abotre mama ye se tam ye o fomu na nje sabo me kata oba kolonwa e to station bia me kata wo ni kata obi se me fi ofa ni fi paper na me to fi paper kata me Japan wi ni a ofa mi fi no ye me fi na me wo no kata wo ba wu ni bi ana mi tema wu no so ba wu bi ni so mo chitre be puto bo fom kata Japan ba wi ni aba wi
yeah that's it
amuka fi edimi ana
yeah that's it
amuka fi edimi.
Yedase Mr Frank Labi Safo also US also yedase and I know about Makwesi Ajenkwa also US o hwe also yedase Mr Gordon Atakwatin o US bebe obi an nchekese enkomo afi so antisisi until see now ADB branch El Madina. This our retirement. Now baby a befabiano would dear chi message I was sending a shame crying until this baby will be an yame and count. Honorable can ye
grassroots me.
but you didn't be a casa free.
But your family greets for time, free and correct.
About your young casa.
But when I work in there, you're being power when it's because in son of a boy. Because Kendi Amadia Ghana for a Wuano, no Bruno.
Yeah, that's it.
Your turn at Japan.
Yeah, that's it. In your Bema Richard, Ofori, Amanfo, the beer will be an also a dassy. Honorable can ye?
My mom will show down.
But you didn't baby Casa free.
But Alex,
me but your youngest Alex.
Say, let me get NDC, me a communication team member in the department. Then we can come and catch a NPP very good in the say. Coming November 14th. But what thing we say, a more pay NPP party now. Improvement will be that year. Among you know, PR of a Kennedy family. Because layer communication team member, and I said, they near to my social be about 1 year, and I said, I'm okay now. Now, tomorrow, I can say, that's 1 year, and I can't be. I know before from the back with you. The emotion, no more fun. No, guys say, where you are, nothing who are. No more than you to the my but I do it.
And so, yeah, Darcy. Mr. Pilot Vincent Abeka, now you're not in Western North Coordinator, Mount Robocan, also, yeah, Darcy. Nana Quasinyame, and Nana Company Limited, as I say, yeah, that's a lawyer Kwaku Amodate, only part more bar for a Japan, Monsieur Damas, more share, a free and crank. The honorable can ye. Okay, we say okay. Yankai message back. Was it please? I'm okay. Prophet Makaudian. Was it good evening? I'm Kojo from Gomwa Jukwa in the Central Region. I'm a delegate. Please tell Baumia to also resign. Hey, we'll be actually with the teases ban or the premium. I say a friend Sly, K Sly from Accra. No Ken, no vote.
MPP from Penimpo, a bro, a baby, a dang high. And you told me that Nipana wedding to know. Be a fair panel. And then the helm people for a CM Pemapano. And you are born a young penny for now, no. Delegate at the Kaya for Miss Seremo, Mr. Museum, Miss Seremo. When you crank and yesterday, you say, come to never never be yes, or the Asa. That's Seremo at the chair. When you champion in for the second year penny, because it's Seremo. When you my work from say, yeah, police station secretary, yeah, communicator, you call radio station by radio station, you with German and South. Bro, they see a big one of Panon. The young father to what you do more Panon. They said, yeah, very in the bay.
Yeah, that's it.
The near break.
Yeah, that's it. You know, I my George Opoku Amponsa, on a foster, sorry, baby, I'm Mobiano, and check us here, and come on. You know, my Isaac Usu. Also, yeah, that's it. Mongo Park on a attire group. I'm more Taifa. Munyamu a delegate. Monso, some more share like Monso Yadamasi. A year you never my rough. At the share funds, El Madina. Also, yeah, that's it. Minabe my Emra, Emera Pia. And some Mose Mukunu, Malanche Dada, and Asa Fina Mobe, Munya Lanchi. Okay, so far Mukita number say.
This year, Uncle, the F45.
This time we have 45. And the more Gusamo, pay Domini Biaba count.
Yenina, Yenina, delegate.
Okay.
See, I don't need here.
Okay.
The Akande Chirasem.
Okay.
Krum the Enke here.
See, I did any here because the Acadie. Oh, no, TV are there.
Okay. Mr. Zito, yeah.
Yo, my main concocha, Madame Annette.
Okay.
You can the supporter one Bequai. Namincha Bequai branch can supporters union. Na Mincha and Najeba. Otosumi na de medija delegates na yesre wo man say obia se momfa camera obia se kromfo se momfa camera me ya say lawyer party foi mo na constitution ya amend no 2009 mo di ko hye mu say sankofo research officers enti research officers no dan na mo ma wo ma ye ana wo mo kokotie ba be kana mo se munni so oh na sa chenchine atwan ne de yesre wo mo evento na afidi wo mo fa camera e damas
lawyer yeko
Tim Ken me chia mo nyina me say de o hwe se ne yeko na je say we are battle ready.
Okay.
into obi amfa ne mpabo anhye ye tie sikrom ne ya adwuma ne kiti thank God say timanfo nyina se ye no mpe obi abefa bia you say t-shirt ya sala ye everything about Ken is explosive now and yes say mum ye maintain momentum no mu nyina mate the majority leader no na mo pai ama obi ne se mo ka and then you mate the president nam no din kwa asem ono an kan I am quoting him enti omunim se ne ekoso na enye si ye chim microphone sade ama obi ba force na enye na party executive hierarchy omuntie party no enye omodia o etimam for grassroots for ye ne party ne ye dia enti amamo akonya se monkote ho na mo toto ne ma na no nche se mumbe bumani aguso na ma ye dia mope ene tebu ya ba momfre na mohwehwem na muntie de okan sa ansem no na momfre disciplinary committee na montutu na no se na mo ye ona abokan no exactly o se mo kogigi sika enti muntimi nkasa it was clear. I'm sure say a general secretary wate me sure say party chairman so wate say kogigi sika free candidates no nti muntimi disqualify obia. This is what we are complaining about. Ye per party a whole leadership a muntimi take decision na me gidi say yes party ni be koso na Kennedy wini na wasisa Ghana na muntie obia no obetuma asisa Ghana this Kennedy.
Yeah, that's it. Enua ba maame Abigail Akua Efrie ofri takrade kokwado wama dia bedi mo be 2 months ni ente wonka pacha so unim maame e frɛ no Abigail Akua Efrie o takrade kokwado a on frɛ 0598 551 383 0598 551 383 and I say maame e frɛ Harriet now Japan sisi akodi UK wonso onkra ana wama dia bedi ho de sɛ unim anase unimu bia otesa fa number no mano na onfrɛ aha na de dwumadi nbesi yenda production team nyina ase afi so King Jesse TV any radio or US of A monso yedamase na Sources Radio UK yedamase Strong Voice Network
na ye pese ye mfasa woni we so nkonkomme nipa bi no wo maye wo madwene se se ye frɛ wo mo wo radio so a wo mo de omba nse wo mo ba be didi atam wo mu nyai na se no enya saa ne ye kɔ no wo ye frɛ ne ye se beka asem bi fa o candidate ho a ka de o candidate no gidi se obetimi a se de Kennedy started ya ne nwuma waye de waye ma party no de waye ma o man ma ne de waye ma Ghana no wo ka no na emom se wotra na wo so di ba be si di a ene emrante no so wo akiri
aha na Strong Voice Network any the program
na kama de number 2 ja ebia bo hono ma wonim ejuma ye de ye di
okay for number
no so obi a person obe kan ho bia number 0244 98 62 76 0244 98 62 76 okay yeah that's it yeah the show popular request yes emfa showdown nyom no emfa to yes enti e kan say production team are ready a munu abema ohini Kofi Safoni nyame adoma meni metim nya dasene ebesia ti ye the showdown nyom no na e dey sorry